Hello and welcome to this hsbMake video on the new Distributor app which has been added as a result of the version 28 updates. My name is Andrew Baker-Keane and I'll be showing you what we have changed. The Distributor app can be found within hsbMake Office and takes all of the distributors that are commonly used by the shop floor on all the different stations and puts them in one easily accessible point. If we take this example panel, we can describe what a distributor actually does by thinking of two different workstations where that panel could be fabricated. The distributor allows you to manually choose which workstation you want to actually produce that panel on and therefore send the information to the appropriate workstation. Now let's look at how we use this in the software itself. So in order to start the new Distributor app in Make Office, click on the Distributor button at the top of the screen. As soon as it opens, you will see all of the distributors that are available inside the system you are attached to. Each distributor can actually be accessed using the green button on the left-hand column, and when selected an item in the middle column, you can actually see at the bottom of the screen what order that particular item belongs to. To distribute something, you need to be able to see where you're distributing to, which is what the right-hand column is showing. And when clicking on a green button on the right-hand side, items will move from one location to another inside the factory. If you have the situation where you want to actually be able to create a production group as a result of stacking items together, maybe for the use of loading onto a lorry, you can actually use the distributor to go into a output buffer, at which point, providing it is set up correctly, you can then give it a name of the particular group. This will then tell you which items have been put in which stacks. The Distributor app will also allow you to delete a particular distributor from the system, or you can add a shortcut to your desktop so you can access it without going into Make Office, or using the cogs you can actually go into the settings of each of the distributors within the application. To quickly summarize, the new Distributor app gives you an easy and simple way to actually see all of the distributors in one location, eliminating the need for multiple shortcuts, which is really useful when the shop floor is not doing the distribution, but the distribution is being done by the production office. All that remains for me to say is thank you for sparing the time to watch this video. My name has been Andrew Baker-Keane, and I hope you enjoy using our new Distributor app.